Taong 2012 nang makalaban ng ating kababayan na si Mercito Gesta, ang maangas at tila walang inaatrasan ang palaban at nuknukan ng hambog na Amerikanong si Ty Barnett. Bago ang laban ay kung ano-anong kahambugan ang mga pinagsasabi nitong American fighter sa ating kababayan. Na kesyo hindi nga raw siya nai-impress sa record ng Pinoy. Alam niya na may bilis at lakas itong si Mercito Gesta. Subalit maring sinabi nito na hindi pa nga raw nakakaranas ang ating kababayan na mapatapat sa kasing lakas at kasing galing nitong si Ty Barnett, na para bang sinasabi nitong puros mahihina lang ang tinalo ng ating kababayan. Ito ang kanyang mismong sinabi, pakinggan nyo.
Have you been studying Gesta on tape? I mean, what are your impressions of him as a fighter?
I'm not impressed at all.
Not impressed.
I've been looking at him. He's pretty fast. Decent power. He's a good fighter. But he's fighting another good fighter tonight. Real fighter.
What do you bring to the tape?
At bukod pa nga dyan, ay buong angas din itong inihayag ang kanyang mga plano kung paano niya tatalunin ng ating kababayan.
I'm Ty Barnett from Washington, D.C. and my fight plan for tonight is to establish my jab early, touch the body, and then eventually impose my will on this guy.
Bago ang laban, si Barnett ay may record na 20 wins, 13 knockouts, 2 talo at 1 tabla. Habang ang ating kababayan naman ay may record namang 25 wins, 13 knockouts, 1 tabla at wala nga pong talo. Opo, tama po kayo sa inyong narinig. Undefeated ang ating kababayan noong mga panahon na yan, na kung bakit imbis na pangilagan ay tila lalo pang kinutya at minahina nitong Amerikanong fighter ang ating kababayan. Kung kaya naman, sama-sama nating panoorin kung paano dinurog ng ating kababayan ang Amerikanong si Ty Barnett at kung paanong tinuruan ng leksyon ng ating bida na ang Pinoy ay hindi basta-basta pagdating sa larangan ng boxing. Sa round 1 ay agresibong sinugod ng ating kababayan ang Amerikanong si Ty Barnett. Makikita ang gigil sa mga suntok na binibitawan ng ating kababayan. Makikita na parang gusto nang tapusin agad ang laban.
Yes, it could be pretty interesting early, but like I said, Gesta has good.
Try to bring the right hand to the body. A reminder, you see it on the screen right there. Friday Night Fights Facebook page. You can get that left hand by Gesta, Shane.
Yeah, he slipped it right in.
Round number 2.
Sa round 2 ay makikita ang malaking kalamangan ng mga suntok ng ating bida, na bagamat nakakapagpatama nga rin naman itong si Barnett, ay talaga namang masasabi mong lamang na lamang ang Pinoy pagdating sa mga patama.
Tried to place that right upper, came back and put 4 more punches together, and there was a left.
Keep that left real low. He has to watch out because Gesta loves to throw that right hook.
Sa round 3 ay mas lalo pang uminit ang mga palitan ng mga suntok ng dalawang fighter. Sabayan, mga tira matibay, parehas hindi magpapatalo sa laban.
Good shot by Barnett. Barnett's doing a good body shot. This was about a year ago, and when I sparred with him, I thought he fought kind of like Pacquiao, but it's true. He has the same kind of demeanor.
It's unaffected. And now he jumps in with a left. Showed the smile. Round number 4.
Sa round 4 ay unti-unti nang ininda ng Amerikano ang mga suntok ng ating bida. At dito ay unti-unti niya nang naunawaan na hindi niya pwedeng basta-bastahin ang Pinoy.
This is a good counter for Barnett in his face. This is what this is doing. Great right hand. He's switching it up.
There's that lead left, and then he comes back with a left uppercut and a sweeping right hand back to the inside, right hook and uppercut as he tries to pin him into the corner.
At pagpasok ng round 5 ay halos saluhin na lang ng mukha nitong si Barnett ang lahat ng mga suntok na ipinupukol ng ating bida. Nakulang na nga lang ay matumba dahil sa lakas ng mga suntok na tumatama.
59%.
Yeah, it was definitely a close round because
he placed that left hand.
Wow.
Barnett's in trouble. Forced back, tried to duck and weave out of there. Did you see his legs just go like loose spaghetti? Gesta's getting after him right there. A right hand comes in.
Barnett is hurt.
Mercito Gesta. No mercy. His nickname, he's got a minute 30 and change to work it that way.
Yeah, Gesta needs to take his time and place his
losses. Both
good body shot.
Were by knockout.
Oh,
left uppercut.
Barnett right now.
Right hand up top. It's a little more wiry. steady himself. Round 6 scheduled for 10.
Sa round 6 ay masasabi mong may tibay nga rin talaga itong si Barnett. Sapagkat sa dami na nga rin ng tamang kanyang tinanggap, ay makikitang tuloy pa rin at handang makipagsabayan sa laban.
Jab, he's trying to keep him off balance. I think he turns over real fast so he get that straight left hand in. Like that.
That time he goes with...
Casito's doing a great job of counting.
Right to the inside. This is round 7.
Sa round 7 ay ganun pa rin ang senaryo. Paisa-isang suntok, sabay atras ang ginagawa nitong si Barnett. Habang ang ating kababayan naman ay puro combo at mga solidong kombinasyon ang mga ibinabato sa kalaban.
Tito, the monkey. Hesta's on a roll here. That are wondering, what exactly do you feed a pet monkey?
Well, I like to collect Barnett off the hook a lot of times when maybe. Listen to his trainer and doing a good job. Oh, they sit down and he recuperates. You know, if he wants to try to win the fight or possibly a knockout.
Round 8 here of our main event between Hesta and Barnett.
Sa round 8 ay makikitang nakikipagsabayan na talaga itong si Barnett. Yun nga lang, ay talagang makikita ang kalamangan ng mga suntok na binibitawan ng ating kababayan.
Can he pull it off here?
So listen to his corner. They're telling him to jab, jab, overhand right hand. He seems to land. It could because Hesta right now is not really paying attention. He's just paying attention to what he wants to do. And he's hitting with great left hands like that.
Sweeping left hand that time, right through to this past string. And now your son is doing his thing.
And now he's boxing. Hopefully he can live up to, you know.
So they're facing a situation out as Marcito Hesta looks to extend his mark to the 26th win of his career. That is the way you, the fan, sees it. 7 rounds to 1 going for Hesta in the last minute. Hesta really sitting down on that left hand, and then he tried to lift it. Oh, and then he came with the left of the body and a quick sweeping right hand around the eyes of Ty Barnett. There are brief...
At pagdating ng round 9, ay dito na tinapos ng ating kababayan ang paghihirap nitong si Barnett. Nang tumama ang left and right combination ng ating kababayan sa mukha nitong Amerikano. Tumayo pa naman itong si Barnett upang ipagpatuloy ang laban. Subalit hindi na nga rin binigyan ng pagkakataon ng ating kababayan at agad na nga rin tinapos ang laban. At itinanghal ng panalo ang ating kababayan via technical knockout. Kadalasan sa laban, kapag inuuna ang yabang, madalas na uuwi ito sa isang masaklap na pagkatalo, lalo na kung sa Pinoy mo ito gagawin. Sabi nga nila, never underestimate the power of Filipino fighters.
Fight is over. Jay Nady reacting as Duke Buchanan was trying to enter the ring.
Calls a halt to this bout with an official time of 2 minutes, 59 seconds of round number 9. Your winner, by way of technical knockout, Mercito. No mercy.